official open ceremonies for MOU signed between FUJIZAKURA Co Ltd, the manufacturing and distributor for MEGADAYA fuel additive and car care products, and Nissei Ushiyama Thailand Company Limited, the Japanese trading fund, with distributor hub in many countries around the world. In MFair 2019, Bitech International Convention Center, during 19 to 21st January 2019, by Mr. Thanakrit Kupakanchana, the CEO and founders of FUJIZAKURA Company Limited, and Mr.Kohichi Ushiyama, the president of Nissei Ushiyama Thailand Company Limited, with the agreement to be the official distributors of MEGADAYA products in Japan, Philippines, and Indonesia.